Bow. Welcome to the latest installment of the Indigo Lab. I am your boy Chef Radio, here as always with your boy King Karan, and Nikki Nuggs is on the soundtrack. We appreciate you stopping through. This week, we're doing a little bit of international flavors for y'all. As always, I'm trying to bring you something new, bring you something innovative, bring you something different. So we're making a infused Morir Soñando. You know how long it took me to figure out how to say that? A couple minutes before this video, but that's beside the point. It's gonna be really simple, really straightforward. It's gonna be an in and out video, so please watch the whole thing. We're gonna have some problems. Okay, so just a few ingredients in this drink, so it should be really easy and straightforward. First thing we got about 4 cups of fresh squeezed orange juice. I use Cara oranges. We got a whole cup or a whole tin of evaporated milk, and I used a half a can of condensed milk. I added a tablespoon of the vanilla bean paste, our favorite, and then we put a gram of our usual decarbed hashish in there, indigo style as usual. And then lastly, we're gonna top it off with a little bit of juice of a lime. So let's get it going. That's just gonna fall over anyway. Hit it with the lime. Give it one more blitz. Keep it simple. Keep it simple, man. This is straightforward. Morir Soñando. I'm gonna name this after my boy Mero from the Bodega Boy.
Hey, papi. Tú sabes lo que viene ahora.
It's my favorite podcast, Smack City. This will definitely take you to Smack City if you drink the whole thing. We're not gonna have a whole. No, we're not gonna drink that. We're gonna have a little taste though. We'll put it in a nice little cup, and we're gonna close this thing out. Watch the whole video. Boom. There you have it, Mero's Morir Soñando. We appreciate you stopping through to the Indigo Lab. Real simple. We came and hit you in the head real quick. One hitter quitter. Appreciate you stopping through. Please like, comment, subscribe. Every week we got some new cannabis innovations coming for you. So please just continue to rock with us here at the Indigo Lab. We got something for you every week. We're gonna sit down and have these drinks and see how we feeling. Peace.